Good evening, everyone. I'm in Warsaw. Just arrived just a second ago and just arrived at the hotel. And there's a jacuzzi in the room. I didn't even give you a run up, did I? I didn't say, let me show you around the room. I didn't do any of that. I walked in and thought, oh, this is quite pleasant. As you can see behind me, I thought, oh, that's quite pleasant. And then I came across this and thought, what is that? What is that? There is also a bathroom. But let me show you properly. Okay, let's just turn the camera around. There's the bathroom. Nice shower. The usual type of shower. No surprises. Now, you know how I feel about these. So I'm not even saying anything. But you know how I feel about those. Soap flying around. Oh, please don't let me get bitten again. Soap. Soap. It's good thing I bought my own, huh? Anyway. So, that is the bathroom. There's my luggage, I only just put it down. There's the two single beds pushed together. There we go. Would that be called a batwing chair of a sort? It's very kind of, what's the style I'm thinking of? You tell me what style that is, and I'll say, yeah, that's what I was trying to work out. That's what I meant. I don't know what that is. It's supposed to be a drinks cabinet? I don't know. It's interesting. Art Deco, that's what I was trying to think. Is it Art Deco looking? Or is it just some other style of chair? I'm not sure. It's, yeah. That is interesting though, whatever that is. And then we have the jacuzzi bath in the bedroom. Look at that. Wow, looks quite, yeah, I'll be having a go at that later. Or tonight, or in the next 15 minutes. When I've got myself together, I shall be having a go in that and then having a sleep. So yes, this is my room and I'm only in here for the night and then we're off again for about a 2-3 hour drive in the morning to our destination, to a festival. So hopefully I shall be able to get some shots of that. Will I be singing? Probably not. Might fit some vocals in there, might fit a sound check in there, but I will change the format of these videos, because I think it's got to a stage now where we've got to have some singing, don't we? So we'll change as time goes on. You'll see some singing. I don't know in what guise, what kind of atmosphere or what band or where. I might even be in the bath, front room, I don't know. But we will change the format so you'll see some entertainment. Apart from me showing you around bathrooms and hotel rooms. Anyway, I'm off to have a go at this jacuzzi bath and I'll see you tomorrow. Nighty night. And we're off. We're off, we're off. We've got 3 hours until we're off on the road again. So I thought, let's get the jacuzzi going. Woohoo! I'm not going to spend 3 hours in it, but I thought, let's have a go. So yeah, I'm going to chill in here and watch some TV. Don't understand the language, but hey, I'm going to watch it anyway. Oh, I think I put too much bubble bath in there. We're going to have an overflow. Oh no. Oh no. All right, let's go and break out some towels. I'm trying to do this without dropping the phone in there. But I think I went overboard with the shower gel and soap. I've got all the jets going. And yeah, this is the view from here. Oh dear. I think I've gone a bit overboard. Oops. Oops. I think I went overboard. It's fun though, but I'm gonna have to try and, because there's been overflow, so I'm gonna have to do some cleaning up before we go. It's good fun though, isn't it? Did you see the level of the suds? Oops! Okay, so I emptied it, got rid of all the suds, and I've started all over again. So here we are. I've showered all the soap off the walls, and we're doing it properly now. Yay! Just left the hotel and I can't believe I've been bitten already, being attacked. They must travel in swarms because they paid no attention to the spray, the bug spray I sprayed all over myself, and I'm itching to death now. And I can feel the lumps coming up now. Bloody old superhuman mosquitoes over here in this place. Wow. You see that? It happened as soon as we left. As soon as we left the flipping hotel. Got one on my knee. There. Just don't aim for the eye. So we've just driven 2 hours, 2.5 hours to this hotel, and this is nearer the venue. So all we're doing here is changing, literally changing, resting and changing before the show, and not much else. So yeah, it's a triple room. Yeah, triple room. We haven't really stopped and had lunch or anything yet, so this area seems to be, it's almost like a new town by the looks of it. All I can see is new houses being built and lots of land, lots of space, and not a lot happening, just a lot of new houses being built on it. So right, so we're not even sleeping here, and I tell you right now, I'm exhausted. All this driving really wears me out. So see you in a bit.